Hi everyone, I hope everyone is well. This video I've made just on the question that I had asked on one of my other videos, and the other video I demonstrated how to connect a Bluetooth adapter to a vehicle that hasn't got a USB port. And someone asked me what kind of phone holder are you using, and I thought, okay, fine, because this is quite ingenious how it works. So when I first got this vehicle, I had it connected. I had this attached to my dashboard. Now this isn't the one I'm recommending, but I'll show you what I had before. So this is a magnetic phone holder, and this I've taken it off the vehicle now. And when you first get it, basically see this bit here. This has got like an adhesive sticky bit on it, and that basically sticks onto your dashboard, stays like that. And then your phone has a a metal plate, and that sticks onto that. So when your phone goes on there, it stays on there. Now, it did stay on there, but what happened was is that the phone stayed on there, but because the phone was quite heavy, this fell off with the phone. And with the newer vehicles, even old vehicles as well, where you'll notice this material here, the surface that they make it from things don't stick to it. It's quite glossy, so it used to fall off. So I'm driving down the motorway or something, or I live in an area with a load of speed bumps, and it basically always falls off, and the phone's on the floor. Anyway, so what I did was I thought I'm going to need something a bit more secure and robust, but yet it doesn't leave a nasty mark. So when I took this off, as you can see, it's left kind of a bit of a nasty mark there. I can get rid of it, but it's going to take a bit of elbow grease to get it off, and I didn't want that, so I took that off. And what I brought was one of these. Again, this I'll put the link at the bottom of this particular one, and it's quite if you look at it, you think, wow, does that actually hold a phone? And you know what, it does. It's a very strong magnet. And this material here is, do you know those rubbers, the school erasers, like, you know, when you draw something with pencil and you rub it out, this is that kind of material. So it's just that the surface is that rubbery kind of material, but it's inside is probably made, it's got a magnet and made metal at the back, and I'll show you what this does. But it's very light, it's very durable, and it's portable as well. So what I did is that you can literally put this into the vent like that. Okay, then you get your phone, which this setup will look kind of strange. So I've got a wallet attached to my Samsung S10, and I've got all my cards and stuff in there. Some people will say you shouldn't really carry your cards, but hey, you know what, it saves me forgetting my wallet and stuff like that. Anyway, back onto the phone. So this adapter, this thing here, comes with a metal plate, and that sticks onto the back of your phone. And then what you do is literally just clunk it onto that, and it stays there. And it is really, really strong. So it's one of the magnets, you can actually take it off, but at the same time, it's strong. So on, off, and when you stick it on, it stays in place. Like I said, I live in an area with some massive speed bumps. Every single road has got speed bumps, and this never budges. It doesn't move, it doesn't sway, and it's in the right position, because I'm somebody that doesn't like to have any of these weird brackets that you have that people put onto the windows, and it just gets into the line of sight as you're driving. I'm somebody that, you know, I know I've got this little boxing gloves thing here, but that is out the way. So my driving position is like that. I can't have something here or something sticking up at the dashboard, and you really shouldn't, because your line of sight should be clear. And when I brought this, basically it was a game changer for me, and I'll show you. So I went on a trip with my friend. He was driving, and I took this off of my vehicle here, and I stuck it into his car on this side. So I had my mobile over here, so I was changing the music, I was doing the sat nav, and it gave him an easy sort of way to drive without having to press a phone and stuff, which he shouldn't be really doing. But yeah, I stuck it on the passenger side. I took this with me. I've got two of these, and yeah, they're very cheap to buy. Again, I'll put the link at the bottom, but it doesn't cause any damage to your car. And yeah, you just literally simply just stick it into your vent like that, and it stays in there without any issue whatsoever. I would highly recommend getting one of these. Again, this video, I haven't been paid to do this. This is just my own experience, which I share with people, and I'm somebody likes to have something that kind of works, you know, and I don't have to keep buying or changing stuff and whatnot. So I'll definitely recommend you get one of these Yosh phone holders. It might be a different name. Sometimes the same company sells it in different brands and stuff like that, but the job is just the same. So I'd highly recommend you get one of these.